Hello everyone, welcome to Pratibha Education. Today we see Algebraic Identities, Class 8 CBSE, third identity. I write the identity a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. This is the third identity. So already we discussed the first identity and second identity in previous videos. Now this is the third identity. I read a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Now we do some problems by using this identity. 2x plus 7y into 2x minus 7y. So the question is given 2x plus 7y into 2x minus 7y. In the same way as we did in the earlier identities, how we compare the terms, in the same way we have to compare the terms. So what is a here? The first term. A is equal to 2x and b is equal to, what is b? B is equal to 7y. Now substitute these terms in the identity, that is a square minus b square. That is 2a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. That is 2x whole square minus 7y whole square. What is 2 square here? 2 into 2 4 and 4x square minus 7 into 7 49 y square. This is the solution to the given question. Now we do the second problem. 5ab minus 8c into 5ab plus 8c. Same way compare the terms. So that is first term is a. So what is first term here? 5ab. Now I am writing here first term. 5ab square. A square 5ab square minus, what is b square? What is the second term? 8c. 8c whole square. That is 5 into 5 25. 5 square means 5 into 5. And a square b square minus 8 into 8 64 c square. So this is the solution to the given question. Now next problem is 4p square plus q square into 4p square minus q square. So what is the first term? 4p square. So I am writing the first term here, 4p square and square whole square. So when whatever it may the question, compare the terms and write the whole square minus, and what is second term? Q square. Write down here second term and put square. So that is 4 into 4 16. Already p square is there and again 2. So power of mn, a power of mn once we have to multiply. That is p square means 2 into 2. P to the power of 4 minus q to the power of 4. So this is the solution. Now in this question evaluate 81 whole square minus 19 square. So in this question what is given? The right part of the identity is given. Observe clearly. Observe here the a square minus b square. In the same way the question is 81 whole square minus 19 whole square. So the right part of the identity is given. Now write down the left part. So once you observe 81 square minus 19 square. So it is in the form of right side part of this identity, a square minus b square. Now write this term, left term. How you will write? Write down 81. This is the first term, a plus, and second term 19 into, what is first term? 81 and the second term minus 19. So the left part of the identity we are writing. Now 81 plus 19, how much? 80 plus 10 90, 90 plus 10 100 into product into 81 minus 19. How much? 81 minus 19, that is 1 becomes 11, 8 becomes 7, 11 minus 9, 2, 7 minus 1, 6, 62. So that is 6200. Now here 290 whole square minus 210 whole square. So this is the A and this is the B. A square minus B square. So the right part of the identity is given. Now write the left part of the identity. That is 290. 290 plus 210. So this is A here and this is B here. Now into is in a 290 minus 210. So this is the left side of the identity. Now 210 plus 290 plus 210 how much? 200, 200, 400, 90 plus 10 that is 500. And multiplication 290 minus 210 how much? 290 minus 210 that is 80. That is 5 8s are 8 5s are 40. And remaining 3 zeros 1 2 3. Put remaining 3 zeros. This is the solution to the given question. Now we see one more type of problem by using this identity 3. So the question is given, simplify 107, that is 107 into 93. The question is given 107 into 93. How we have to do here now? First, this is the 107. Split this first term into in the form of a plus b. So 107 is there. Split this first term in the form of a plus b. How you can split a plus b? 100 plus 7 we can write. 100 plus 7. So 107 is nothing but 100 plus 7. Now multiplication, I am writing bracket here. Now split this second term in the form of a minus b. So what you will get here? 100 minus 7. 100 minus 7 is nothing but 93. Now we got the left hand side of the identity. Now that is a plus b into a minus b. That is a square minus b square. Now what is the first term here? 100 and the second term is 7. Write down 100 square minus, what is the second term? 7 square. What is 100 square? 1000 minus, what is 7 square? 49. That is 10,000 minus 49. What is 10? How much 10,000 minus 49? 10,000 minus 49. 0 becomes 10. 9, 9, 9 becomes 0. 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 4. How much? 9 minus 4? 5. And 9, 9. So this is the 9951 is the solution to the given question. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.